Donald Trump has reopened one of America's biggest debates: birthright citizenship. That's the rule that says if you're born in the United States, you're automatically a US citizen, no matter where your parents come from. Now, here's where things get controversial. Trump says this rule was never meant for today's immigrants. He claims it was originally designed only to protect the children of former slaves, that is, black Americans who were enslaved before 1865 and were denied citizenship until the 14th Amendment was passed, and says this does not apply to the children of people who came to the US without legal status or on temporary visas. In simple words, he is arguing that automatic citizenship shouldn't apply to many immigrant families today. And based on that argument, he signed an order trying to end birthright citizenship for children of undocumented or temporary immigrants. But here's the problem. For more than 100 years, American courts have consistently said that anyone born on US soil is a citizen. So judges across the country blocked Trump's order, calling it unconstitutional. Now the case has reached the US Supreme Court and they will decide whether Trump's interpretation can actually change this long-standing rule. If the court supports him, it could completely reshape who gets to be an American citizen. If the court rejects it, birthright citizenship continues exactly the way it always has. The final word now rests with the Supreme Court and the entire country is watching. So stay tuned and subscribe to Phylin Media for more interesting updates like these.